Unlock the power of seamless design developed by mastering the Figma to Lovable Export. Import process. First, open your Figma project and navigate to the specific artboard or frame you wish to export. Ensure your design is well organized and ready for its journey to Lovable. Locate the Export section. In Figma's right-hand sidebar, you'll want to select an appropriate export format. For optimal compatibility with Lovable, we recommend exporting as SVG. Click the plus icon next to export to add a new export preset. Choose SVG from the drop-down menu. You can adjust settings like include it attribute if needed, but for most cases, the default SVG export is perfect. Now, click the export selected button. Figma will generate your SVG file. Save it to a convenient location on your computer. Next, open your Lovable project. Navigate to the section where you manage your app's assets or UI components. This will vary slightly depending on your project setup in Lovable. Look for an import option, which might be a button labeled import asset, upload file, or a designated drag and drop area. Click or drag your previously exported SVG file into this designated zone. Lovable will now process the SVG file depending on the complexity of your design and Lovable's import capabilities. You might see options to further refine or assign properties to your imported design elements. And there you have it. Your visually stunning Figma design is now seamlessly integrated into Lovable, ready to be used as a building block for your application. This streamlined workflow allows you to focus more on creating beautiful interfaces and less on the technicalities of asset transfer, empowering you to build amazing applications faster.